guys. Good morning. Okay, so I go to school at 9 o'clock in the morning, so I mean, give or take, you know, that's not too early, but it's 9 a.m. 5 days a week. If you don't watch my YouTube videos, I say that pretty often, that school is my life. But for today, I do have a little hair tutorial for you guys, and of course, I'm going to show you a typical face routine. My makeup changes all the time, so I can't guarantee that this is the look that I walk out with every single day or using the exact same products. But I'll just kind of, you know, try my hardest to kind of put together a little routine. I did not rehearse this beforehand, so I don't know if I'm going to exactly make it at 30 minutes or not. Either way, I am going to set a timer so we can like see and like at least gauge around how long it's gonna take. Now I really don't want to make this video 30 minutes long, so in general this routine is going to be 30 minutes long. I think you get the drift, so we might as well just jump into the video. I'm going to start off my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I do like to start with my eyebrows though, just in case I don't get anything else done, at least I have eyebrows on for school. One eyebrow's done. Let's move on. Okay, cool. Don't look too bad today. Them babies sparkling. Cool. Eyebrows done. So, of course, if you think, you know, what would you want on if you didn't have enough time? Eyelashes. I like to draw a wing sometimes too on days I feel a little confident or I know I have an extra couple minutes, you know, just like an extra 1 or 2 minutes, because regardless, if I mess up a wing, I'm gonna want that time to fix it versus getting frustrated and leaving it or having to wipe the whole thing off. But today I am just gonna skip a wing. These are the ones I'm gonna be applying today. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lash glue on these babies. I'm gonna use my Duo lash glue. Of course, I like to let my eyelashes get tacky. This could be a lengthy process, just letting your lashes dry in general. So to speed things up, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. And I'm going to start with my Smashbox Photo Finish water primer stuff. I always use it, but it's quick and you don't need both hands to do it. So at least that's set, you know, you're doing something while your eyelash is getting tacky, you know. I like to also just take this lash tool and just kind of like make sure that my lashes are secured. It's like if you want to put mascara on, I like to just kind of keep grooving, you know, keep going in the makeup process so that you're not wasting time, and then you can go back once your lashes are dry and then you can put on some mascara, you know, versus like waiting for them to dry, you know, and not doing anything. So right now I'm using my Opto Moisture Retaining Day Lotion. This is for dry / combination skin, but it works so amazing with my skin. So I'm thinking it really is meant for dry skin, but you know, if you have some oil, you could definitely try it out. I don't want to speak for all of us, but I'll speak for me personally. By the way, gonna use my e.l.f. Toning Adjusting Primer. I just think like some days I feel amazing with just lashes and eyebrows. Other days I'm like, I need my face done, you know? And that's just how it is. You know, we all have different days, but like I said, I don't want to speak for all of us. This is my L'Oreal True Match Liquid Glow Illuminator. I've used it in plenty of videos before. I don't think anything came out. I don't know, it gives you a little uppity, you know, it gives you a little awakeness to your face just because you have some like glow to you. Regardless, foundation is gonna go over top and kind of like blend it in, so I don't really care if I get it absolutely everywhere or not, but I am kind of creating like a thin mask of glow. I'm pausing the timer because I'm going to go wet my beauty blender, and I'll be right back. And moving on to one of my favorite, most dependable concealers is my Shape Tape by Tarte. It just works, you know, like never let me down. Except I have mentioned it creases a little bit, but now that I've switched to a more prestige foundation, prestige, whatever, however you say it, I think it just works better with higher end products. Moving on to my favorite foundation ever is the Smashbox Studio Finish or Studio Skin something. Oh, and this is in the shade 1.1. I don't think I've mentioned that yet in my videos. By the way, I'm just checking out my viewfinder because it's like right there and it's kind of like a big mirror. I know I did mention that I do pull a lot of yellow pigment. I mean, you can probably see it in my skin in general. This foundation is just the best because they have so many options. So for my liquid contour, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade C11. And a little goes a long way. I've learned my lesson. So I'm only gonna do just like a tad. Kind of just gives you that more flawless look. It makes everything look blended and more natural versus very separated. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me. This is an affordable drugstore a face setting powder, and this is a pressed powder, so I'd like to just kind of like tap in it a little bit with my thingy and just tap underneath my eye. But I'm gonna use my Pixie by Petra blush because it's just been one of my faves. Okay, and continuing that seamless look, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender once more and just, you know, kind of like set in that blush. I'm going to use my ColourPop highlighter, and this is Super Shock Cheek in the shade Wisp. I like to take a little bit like right under my eyebrow bone, and then because this brush is so wide, you kind of get like a gloss overall on your eyelid. Oh, and it's been about 17 minutes. So since I have time, we are going to go back in and use some mascara just to kind of like fix up my lashes a little bit. I have an itch. Oof. Alright, I'm going to use my Deuce mascara. I think whenever you wear lashes that are light and subtle and just like sort of cute, and then you add mascara, it really makes it look like it's your own lashes, you know? This is Brow Couture Soft Powder Pencil in the shade Blonde, although it really looks like a nice taupe or deeper blonde. And then I like to finish up my lips with my Mint Oregon Lip Balm. It looks cute with the liner. And it also adds like a little bit of gloss. I'm just going to keep the timer paused because now we're going to move on to my hair, and I just wanted to explain a little something. So, to move on, I wanted to show you guys my Ceramic and Ionic Straightening Brush by Glamfields. Oh, it matches my sweatshirt. I also wanted to give a really quick shout out and a huge thank you to Glamfields for even reaching out to me and sending this to me in general. Thank you guys so much. This product is absolutely amazing. What it is a ceramic and ionic straightening brush. So I have used this 3 times now because I recorded 2 other videos that just did not turn out how I wanted to. The very first video I recorded, you know, kind of explaining this hairbrush and showing it off and, you know, how to use it and all that. The lighting was horrible, my makeup look was so trash, and I was just embarrassed. And most of the time I'm just like, I'm putting it out anyways, because if people want to judge me, I don't care. I don't care what anybody thinks of me. You know, I just do videos because I want to teach people, and I just think that it's also a really fun way to just kind of like put yourself out there and, you know, express creativity. And then this second video I just recorded 2 days ago. I got up really early before school, like way too early, and I didn't even have any sleep, and I had no energy whatsoever, and it was just a very poorly put together video. So yeah, I know how to use this hairbrush now by the 3rd time, but beforehand, whenever I was first trying it out, this is just, I was like, what? I mean, is this even gonna work? And then I tried it. They are sold through Amazon, so you can find this on Amazon, of course. Feel free to click the link in my description below so you can have easy access to the exact one I have, and they were kind enough to send me the rose gold. Thanks, Glamfields. But whenever you take off the top of the box, you can see a great angled view of my flat ironing hairbrush. It comes, of course, with the cord wrapped up underneath. On this screen here is where you will see the temperature. Here you can adjust the temperature, and here you can turn it on. So inside of the box, you get a cute little travel bag, which is always necessary. I cannot tell you the last time I got a hot tool that comes with a transportation bag. And it looks heat resistant, so in case that is still hot, you could slip it in here, good to go. Next thing they give you, a glove. This little brush, I don't necessarily know what they wanted you to do with it. I'm thinking like if you wanna, oh, ow. Ooh, if you have your cartilage pierced, do you ever get like your hair stuck on it? I'm thinking they sent me this brush like just in case, you know, you get hairs wrapped up in your bristles in your brush, you can kind of like, you know, get them out like this. Which, now that I think of that and I've used it, I think this is actually a really great idea, and it was amazing that they sent this for me. But I have one like this at school, but it's a little bit different, and it's shaped like a toothbrush, and I use it to clean out my razors, like my men's razor cutters, you know what I'm saying? So also inside the, oops, okay, wait. Also inside the box we get fancy little clips. Now these cute little clips I would definitely use at hair school or just whenever I do hair in general. They have the cute little needles on them, so it was awesome that they sent them to me. There was 2 in here, but because of like me recording this video so many times and just kind of like moving around, because sometimes I'll record a video at my mom's house, sometimes I'm at my dad's, sometimes I move around a lot, okay? But regardless, there was definitely 2 in here. I can't find the other one, so I just have 1, but there was 2. I'm just gonna throw half of it up with this clip. Look how cute this jacket is. Oh, sis. Okay, this is what I do at hair school. Throw it up like this. I mean, I don't do it on myself because we're not allowed to touch our own hair at school. How jank is that? But you just like wrap it up in like a little Zulu knot. Slap that little clip in that joint. Call it oh. Because of my oily scalp, I'm going to go ahead and use some of my Batiste dry shampoo. I'm getting to the bottom of this bottle. This is the Sassy, Daring, and Wild one. I don't know what the difference is. I guess it just smells good. I just like the cheetah print on it. I'm going to go ahead and like spray it back here. Get it like right on my roots and give me some extra like body and volume. Not only body and volume, but it's sucking up the oil, so. Right now I have it on 370 degrees and back here is not burning me. It's just warm. It feels like a heating pad. So all of these bristles on the inside are the ones that get hot. The ones around the outside here that are straight onto the pink do not heat up and they are not hot. They are nice and cool. I feel like that is just kind of like the extra protection. And as you can see, I'm touching all of it without getting burnt. And yeah. With a tool like this, it's so fast and so easy. Now my hair is pretty thin. I'm not going to split it up too much. I'm probably just going to do like 2 more little layers. Yeah, it's not really like I'm taking sections either, you know? I'm just brushing my hair. And if you have like a little bit of a thinner texture, kind of like me, the brush is going to go through a lot smoother, and that kind of lets you be able to not section it. You know, you really don't have to section it to use this brush. Even if you have curlier hair and you just kind of want them like elongated waves, or if you do want to kind of get that quick straightened look, I would only probably section my hair into 2. Oh, I paused my timer at 26 minutes whenever I was about to do my hair and forgot to restart it. But I would say my hair takes 10 minutes from experience. The brush really doesn't take that long. Thank you to Glamfields for supporting this video and for sending me out that hairbrush. It was an absolutely amazing experience to get the chance to use it and just to like receive something unexpected as well. And that's about it. As usual, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe. Of course, comment below more videos you'd like to see me put out. I love to hear your guys' input. Thank you so much for 16,000 subscribers. So close to 17,000, and once we hit it, I appreciate all of you future subscribers as well. So love each and every single one of you, and I'll catch you guys next time.